The sheer number of them is incredible. They're breaking down this cellulose remarkably fast in these damp conditions. Within the drevesina, life moves unseen.
A tiny builder is chosen for a closer look. Equipped with a micro lens, we enter its hidden world.
The journey begins.
A narrow path leads underground.
From light into darkness. Only a faint glow reveals the unseen. A living network comes into view.
The deeper we go, the larger it becomes.
Every movement shapes the structure. Traffic flows without tawaqquf.
Small chambers support the growing colony.
Constant al-bina keeps the colony alive. Nothing is wasted in this nizam.
The colony begins to reveal its scale.
Life begins in carefully protected clusters. The next generation grows in silence. Care and precision ensure survival.
Every fard has a role.
The network expands in every direction. Every path serves a purpose. Constant movement drives the colony.
Even vertical paths are part of the system.
New chambers reveal growing complexity. The colony feeds on the very structure it inhabits. Every bite reshapes the environment. Nothing is wasted underground. Resources are carefully gathered and stored. Every al-haraka supports survival. The network continues endlessly. Space is limited, but movement never stops.
Even brief pauses are part of the rhythm.
Work continues without interruption.
The next generation is carefully protected. Life develops in silence.
Care and precision ensure growth. The colony remains in constant motion.
Deeper layers hold greater complexity.
The core begins to emerge.
A living system operates without tawaqquf. Movement remains coordinated and precise. Architecture grows layer by layer.
The heart of the colony lies ahead. Every haraka becomes more intense. Coordination keeps the system stable.
The scale continues to expand.
Resources flow toward the core. Something important lies ahead. At the center, the true scale of the empire is revealed.